guys, welcome back to Beanie's Hobbies. Just a little short video here on some filament. I've been asked several times now what sort of filament I recommend. Got a couple of recommendations for you. Got several reels up here. The one that I mainly use the most is this one, which is 0, and I get this off Amazon. It's not massively expensive, really good quality filament. There's not very many colours available. I mean, what have I got? Some marble blue, luminous yellow. This stuff here is quite cool. This is like transparent red with like a fleck in it. I did pick up some sort of carbon fibre. Then we have got sort of gold, neon blue. That's about it. Really, I've got some orange. Now the other filament I would also recommend is this Molan. It's very good filament as well. But I mean, I always recommend this to the 0. I've never had any issues with clogging or nothing at all whatsoever. It's not even sort of stringy. And I use it on most of my prints. The only stuff that I would try to avoid is there we go. Is this stuff. You come across that, really isn't very good filament at all. I mean, I'm just using it at the minute on this machine just to use it to get rid of it. I mean, what I'm printing here is nothing very special, so it doesn't really matter. I'm just using it up, but I wouldn't recommend that. I know I've got lots of prints on the go at the minute. Some of these I haven't actually put on my channel. Sunlight is shining through the window, which doesn't help. Just printed this weird ass gun. This was printed on the Anycubic 4 Max Pro. Got quite a large scale alien. This was printed on the Anycubic Predator Delta printer. It came out incredibly well. So yeah guys, really that was just a quick little video just on filament recommendations. Give 0 a try. Like I say, I get it off Amazon. It's not expensive. Very good quality filament. Well worth a go. Anyway guys, that's it for me for this time. So it's just a very quick video just on filament recommendation. So I'll leave you all with it, and I'll catch you in the next one. Cheerio!